Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're going to look at how to invite friends and collaborators to a Pinterest board. So this is really helpful if you just want to share pins from a board with friends, or there's something you're working on, or if you have a blog and you want to invite other collaborators to your Pinterest board who will share the same pins as you. This is how you do it. So from your home page, you want to click on your profile. Then we're going to find the boards that you want to share with other collaborators. So when you found your board, so I'm going to use this one for the tutorial, you're going to click on the little edit button. And from there, we're going to scroll down and you should see a plus sign. So as you can see, this is where you add collaborators. So I'm going to click on that plus sign. So there's different ways you can invite collaborators to your board. You can search for them if you know their name on Pinterest, or you can copy a link and invite people through other social media platforms like X or Facebook, or you can message them the link in WhatsApp or Messenger. Just make sure that you edit what you want to give them access to. So you do this up the top. So by clicking on the arrow, what permissions do you want to give those collaborators? Do you want them to do almost everything, like add, move, delete pins and sections, comment and react? Or do you just want them to save and comment? Do you want them to invite other people? Or do you want them not to do that? So when you're happy with that, click done and go back, copy the link, invite collaborators, or find them on Pinterest. So that's how you find and add collaborators to your Pinterest boards. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.